So we're here for March Boxycharm. I'll be honest, I wasn't excited again. I don't know what it is. I think I'm Boxycharmed out. They sent me so much cover effects that I was so excited, and I received things. I love receiving products from companies like through Boxycharm that I see at Sephora and Ulta that I just didn't try, not because I didn't want to, it's just I think I'm very comfortable with certain brands. So it's nice when I get an opportunity to just try that. But I think I'm just like Boxycharmed out. I feel like every month I want to cancel it, but then they just send me something and I'm like, oh, I want to try it. So another thing that I'm kind of tapped out on, eyeshadow palettes. And I think it's because I don't wear much eyeshadow, and I have received so many. I've had Boxycharm for probably over like maybe a year now, and they have sent me at least 5, and there's another one there which will make it 6. I don't sound like I'm complaining because I'm excited for things, but I feel like an eyeshadow palette every single month is a bit overwhelming. Like switching up from a perfume, take a risk on an eyeshadow or a single eyeshadow, or maybe some foundation, I don't know, maybe even a concealer if they pay attention to that test you take. But sending eyeshadow every single month, I think is kind of a waste, to be honest with you. Like, how many eyeshadow palettes do you bitches need? So the theme for this month is vacation. This is it. Vacation is a cute little card. And I don't know if you guys know, the wait list for Boxycharm has been lifted, so anyone can sign up. So when the card comes 25% off your next $50 purchase from Butter London. There's a Butter London mascara. Actually, I'll grab that first. Yeah, so this is Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Wow. This is what it looks like, the box. And this, I guess, is the bristles for the brush inside. It says 20% thicker lashes and 314% increase in lash curl. Okay, 314% increase in lash curl. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm over opening so many mascaras. I just got another mascara like a month ago. Oh, I got a double drama. I'm really just over opening mascaras. It's got a pretty package. It's really big, and this is a brand new mascara. I apologize. I'm not opening this. I literally have like 3 other mascaras that I haven't opened that I'm trying to get through. That mascara runs $20. It's called the Double Decker Lashes Mascara from Butter London. I said ooh and ah because they sent me, so if anyone is subscribed to Boxycharm, they have a Facebook group, and I think they have an Instagram as well. Like, they have their main social media Instagram, but they have a separate one called, I think, Boxy Beauties or something, or Charm Beauties, something like that. I saw that this was coming in the March preview. So this blush is called Pretty Vulgar, and the company's called Pretty Vulgar, and the name of the color is Make Them Blush in the color Prime Vixen. And I wanted to make sure that I got this because I've never had a blush this pink. And if you look at it, right, if you look at a different like angles, it's got a blue undertone, and I'm interested to see how that is going to pay off on my skin. Okay, so we've got South Main 3 eye gel packs. It says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. So there's 3 eye gel packs in there. It says thoroughly cleanse eye area. Apply this product under the eye. Leave for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use promptly after opening for best results. Use for 3 consecutive days. Okay. This product, this is a company I've never heard of, South Main. These retail for $10. That's kind of a little pricey for just 3. Maybe I'm just a cheap ass. I don't know. Let's put this on. Okay, so it comes in the package looking like this. And they were manufactured in 2017 and expires in 2020. Pretty cool. Alright, so let's get this poppin'. And then after I put these gel packs on, oh, it wants me to leave for 30 minutes. Damn it, I already opened this. Fuck. Oh, it's very, very liquidy. Alright. Let's see. I like that it's thick. Who doesn't like it thick? Haha. Okay. 30 minutes. Alright, so we got the Vintage Cosmetics Company Smokey Eye Brush Set. I don't know if you guys can see that. And that retails for, where is it? Oh, it's $23.15. No. Wait, what? Smokey Eye Makeup Brush Set. MSRP $23.15. Oh, okay. So it's British pound is $23.15. US dollars at $1.40. Why couldn't you guys just put one price? Okay, it's somewhere between $23 and $24. So this I am excited for because I'm always looking forward to new brushes, new styles and stuff. So I like when I receive brushes. I am actually a makeup brush junkie to the point that like I love, that's the only thing I miss about Ipsy. So we've got the, okay, so it's in steps. So step one is, it says step one for the money. I don't know if you guys can see that. Nope, you can't see that at all. It says step for the money, and then this is step two for the shadow, and then this is for the three, which is go girl go. So let's look at number one. Number one is I don't even know what kind of brush. Does it say it on there? Okay, so the number one is a shadow brush, so you can sweep a light shimmery color over your lids. Who says I love shimmery? Number two is to pack a darker color on the angled brush and work into the creases. And number four is a smudger. A smudger usually is the last one that you use. I've got a ton of smudgers, so this isn't anything I'm crazy about. But you can use it underneath there. And then number one. Okay, I always love a good shader. Let's see the quality of this. It's a little stiff. Pure. Oh, they made another eyeshadow palette. All right, Pure the Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette. This retails for $36. Oh, it's super duper taped up. Tire roll right here. I want to see how they pick up. So I'm just gonna go in with my ring finger on the color Alliance right here. And let's see. Oh, wait a minute now. Wait a minute. That's pretty. You can't even see it. Wow, that's actually really pretty. The last eyeshadow palette that they sent me that I was wowed on was the... Damn, what was the name of it? It was the Glam Metals. I don't know if you guys can see that. The Glam Metals, this eyeshadow palette is no joke. It's no joke. Alright, so I'm just going to pick up the camera and show you guys close up how it looks. So this is what it looks like. I like it, but it's a little, it's giving me the vibe of, maybe I should put the camera down here. It's giving me the vibe of a loose pigment because it moves a lot and looks really pretty on my finger. And so I'm sure if I was to add maybe like a Fix Plus or some sort of setting spray, the the foil look would be amazing. But just because we're here, I'm just gonna go in with the color Duet. Okay, so I picked up a lot of product, a lot of kickback, and so much of it came off. Hold on, look at that. I've never had that happen before. Alright, let's see. Maybe I'll... Okay. To be honest, I'm not that crazy about the formula. Let's... Oh, whoopsie. Let me use I like to use a scratchy kind of brush. Ooh, this does not blend well. This does not blend well. Well, maybe if I go in with Duet. Fuck. This is looking like a dub. And if you don't know what a dub is, just for you guys' own sake, damn, I've had this brush so long I don't even remember where it's from. Let's see if this will help. It's a clean brush. I just want to get rid of that harsh line that's there, and it's a lot to work with. To me, a perfect eyeshadow palette. Let's move on. A perfect eyeshadow palette is something that can constantly be. This is a problem. Like, a lot of this should have just been swept on and gone, but the fact that this brown just is not moving and I've got that harsh line is bothering me a lot. I went to go, my hands were just a mess and I had a little mess going on, so I went to just wash my hands, and the entire, usually with eyeshadow you need a little bit of some sort of remover, but it just came off, and that is a big thing to me. This palette I don't think is made with a good formula. I really wouldn't recommend this. I don't know what's going on with Boxycharm. I know a lot of people, I don't want to sound negative, I know a lot of people like it. I'm not that crazy about it, to be honest with you guys. I love Boxycharm, but I'm not crazy about what they've been sending. Like, they sent me this one and I was really excited. This was probably maybe in October or something, or maybe November, and I was really, let me actually show you the eyeshadow palettes they've sent me. They sent me the Glam Metals, which you guys have seen before. I think that was January. I'm in love with this palette. It's all shimmers, but it's really beautiful, and the pigment is just to die for. It's from Crown. And then they sent me Real Her, which I like this palette as well. I mostly use these two browns. They're good for a blending color. What else have they sent me? I don't know. I think that they have been exploring. I've been trying new territories, which I'm not upset about, but I'm not that crazy about this brush at all. This brush situation really threw me off. I'm not familiar with that brand. I feel like I'm the most excited for the mascara when I'm ready to use it, and this blush and the eye pads. The brushes and the eyeshadow was honestly really not that great to me. I'm sorry that this video is a mess. Like, this color right here, and this was just a disaster, to be honest with you. It's really a disaster, and I really wanted to love everything, but realistically that can't always happen when it comes to makeup. It just really can't. I'm so confused. Like, I don't get vacation vibes from here. Mascara, blush, and all that. It's just, makeup is a journey, and I appreciate you guys following on mine. I will be back to having a consistent schedule. I think I'm gonna do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I will see you guys next time.